Tip number 4, using an exam study guide. Apart from using the guide to the PMBOK, it's also good to use an additional study guide because these study guides have more easier language, colorful examples, calculations, practice questions, and so on. By the way, there are so many exam study guides available in the market. As far as I know, right now in the month of April 2018, based on the new syllabus from PMI, which is effective end of March 2018, right now there's only one study guide published in the market, and that is Rita Mulcahy. Yes, there are of course other study guides which might get updated anytime, like Andy Crow, Head First PMP, Janice Preston, Elaine Ellis, Sean Whittaker, Christopher Scotto, Joseph Phillips, Ginger Levin, and Leroy Ward, and so on. There are also several blogs and mock question websites where you can download sets of practice questions, and you might get some good articles also. I can't name all of them, and I'm also not trying to market any one of them. This is basically what I've heard, and I've seen some good reviews. But please make your own decision before purchasing any one of them, because it depends on your learning style. If you are very visual, you might want to see something which has a lot of images, etc. If you like to read a lot of text, if you want to do a lot of calculation, it all depends on you. For those of you who are more kinesthetic, meaning you want to practice some activities, you may want to subscribe to the books who also supply flashcards, meaning the definitions for the various PMP terms, right? So please do your own selection in terms of selecting the best study guide for yourself.